Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics here to announce our newest block of the month. This is called Bouquet of Roses. This is a patchwork block of the month designed with a beautiful floral collection, also called Bouquet of Roses by Debbie Beavis. She is a designer for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. And when I saw the fabrics, I knew I definitely want to do a block of the month and have it be patchwork, because I just love to be able to really see bigger pieces of the fabric. And just the fabric is what it's all about, right? It's just displaying the beauty of the collection in a lovely arrangement of patchwork blocks. So how we'll be running our block of the month program will be for 7 months. There's 12 blocks total. So in each shipment, you'll be getting the fabrics to make that block twice. And then in the 7th and final shipment, you'll be getting your finishing kit, which will include your sashing, everything for your cornerstones, inner border, outer border, and your binding. So I love that. It's nice and compact, 7 months. Options, and you want to definitely pick up on these options. The oops kit. What's an oops kit? Well, it's just what it says. If you make any mistakes, either cutting or piecing, and you're like, you know what, I'm so far downstream, I don't want to seam rip, I just want to start again, that's what this is about. And if you don't use all your fabrics, you could certainly be making a coordinating project or just put that extra fabric in your stash. The other option, of course, is your beautiful backing. Investing this much time in all the intricate patchwork, the quilt, of course, deserves a beautiful finish, and that's the backing choice. So when you sign up for your spot, be sure to pick up the oops kit. That'll definitely give you just some of that low-cost insurance policy to give yourself some grace to make a mistake here and there throughout the journey of making the quilt. And be sure to pick up that backing as well. The other things, well, all the things that we use to make the quilt are actually on the table. We always like to show you what we use, so if you need to pick up anything at the time you're signing up, you're able to do that. Of course, your creative grid rulers is what we use. Maybe you already have a nice selection of rulers. The two that I would say are specialty rulers are the Ultimate Flying Geese and the Corner Clipper. Two rulers we definitely use extensively in the construction. Not mandatory, but we found them to be very helpful, increasing our speed and accuracy with the elements going into the finished size of those blocks. They finish at 12 inches. We also use the 2-inch star singles to make our half square triangles. We find that an efficient way to make 8 half square triangles, again, very quickly and with maximum accuracy. So that was something else we definitely used throughout the process of making the quilt. And the other things, you know, if you know that you need some fresh thread, be sure to pick up Aurifil for that. We use the neutral color. We have the white, gray, and black in this, or maybe just pick up a cream or gray, whatever you're looking for. Be sure to put that fresh needle in the sewing machine. We use the Schmetz 8012, the fresh blade in that rotary cutter to make those good, clean, honest cuts that really set you up for success. Patchwork pins, and my 2 new favorites that are keeping me honest with that 1/4-inch seam allowance, which is certainly important in a piece quilt block, are the diagonal seam tape, the seam guide setter, and then that seam guides that are included along with the setter. And of course, anything else you might need. Be sure to grab your spot. We have very limited space in this particular block of the month. Grab your oops kit, your backing, anything else you might need, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.